So before I start this video, I want to give a special shout out to Boost Monsters FX YouTuber channel. I enjoy the content. Feel free to check it out. Leave a like and consider subscribing. Tell them Tuner Army sent them. All right. And also, we are very close to our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I'll be letting you guys know what it is soon, but it should be a nice treat. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. We're considering giving an OG Tuner Army sweatshirt, and perhaps a $100 gift card. So that should be good, I think, for a first time 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So please share, leave a like, and subscribe if you're watching this for the first time. Enjoy the video. So no, you are not reading that thumbnail incorrectly. Due to the circumstances of, our situation currently, we have to get the Corvette a new home. We are very limited on space, so it's just kind of tough having her out there, especially in these horrible conditions. It's insane snow, sleet. It's just plain disgusting. But for some odd reason, Nick here is not disappointed. Are you sad that the Corvette is getting a new home?
No.
No. All right. Let me explain why he's not disappointed. I'm gonna walk you guys outside real quick. There she is in all her glory. I love this thing more than a lot of things. So what do I mean by she needs to get a new home? As you can see here, we are very limited on space. We actually have no place to keep her. Isn't that right, Nick?
Right.
He has no idea what I'm talking about. But we have no place to keep her right now. Basically, the escape is halfway on the grass. We got a tarp just to cover her up, but it's just not enough. You can't keep something like this outside in these kinds of elements. It's just horrible for the car itself. So unfortunately, we decided as a family to get her a new home. The fuck is this doing on there? This is for the Evo, a new home. What I mean by that is we are getting a garage. We just put a down payment today. The project will start next week, Wednesday?
Yeah.
So she is going to have a new home. That might have been a little clickbaity, but it is what it is. I have to get myself situated with a couple of decals. Let's see here. Let them know who car this is. And license plate covers that my wife got. Yeah, she's the best. I'm gonna put these on and we'll get started. I decided to kind of do a little bit of modification to the Z06. Nothing crazy, but just enough to get a little attention. God, I love the flag on those license plates. I couldn't get like secondhand plates. Those are the best looking plates I've ever seen in my life. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, huh? Okay, so originally we were supposed to take the Corvette out tonight, but there is going to be a storm at 5 o'clock and it's already 4, and the roads are completely wet, so rear wheel drive is probably not the best idea as far as you know, taking this out tonight. But we will be making some videos with the Z06. God, I love you, girl. I love you so much. I do love that girl. And you guys just have to stay tuned. We do have a lot of things planned for her. And yeah, should be a fun time. So if this is your first time watching this video, just please make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Plenty more content to come. The garage build and maybe be a little stupid this summer, so we'd appreciate it. All right, peace.